Hello friends, we are going to solve textual problem number 8. We are having two partners, Sahil and Nikhil. They are sharing in the ratio of 3:2. We are given the balance sheet on 31st March 2017 and we are given these adjustments. Varad is admitted on 1st April. Varad will pay 1 lakh as his capital. Varad is also paying 40,000 for goodwill. New profit sharing ratio is 3:3. Old partner decided to revalue the assets, building, furniture and debtors. And it was found that there was a liability of 3,000 for goods in March 17, but recorded on 2nd April. You are required to prepare profit and loss adjustment account, capital account of partners and balance sheet after the admission of Varad. Okay. Now, we have to follow these steps, and after following, we are going to prepare this profit and loss adjustment account, partners capital account, balance sheet, cash account, goodwill account, and calculation of sacrifice ratio. So in our problem, we have creditors. So creditors 60,000, inner column. Then we have capital, Sahil and Nikhil. So in the capital account, for Sahil, 80,000, for Nikhil, 1 lakh. Then in our problem, we are having furniture, building, debtors, and stock. So we are having furniture, then we are having building, then we have debtors, then we have closing stock, 48,000. Then we are having cash in and 20,000. So cash account debit side we have 20,000. Okay. So all liabilities and assets are over. Now we'll see step number 3, revalue the assets and liability. Building is revalued at 1 lakh rupees. So the new value of building is 1 lakh. So there is an appreciation of 28,000. That appreciation we are going to record in the profit and loss adjustment account. Then we are having this furniture 48,000. So furniture 48,000 is the new value. So 12,000 is the depreciation, and 12,000 we are writing on the debit side of profit and loss account. Then we are having debtors 38,000. So in our solution, our debtors are 38,000. That's the new value. We are told that likely bad debts 2,000. So RDD is 2,000. It is not bad debts, likely bad debts. So RDD. So RDD 2,000. That also we are writing. Then it is found that there was a liability for 3,000 for goods in March, recorded on 2nd April. So we are having unrecorded liability for goods. So that is the creditors. So unrecorded creditors 63,000. So that is the loss again. So in the profit and loss adjustment account on the debit side, 3,000. Okay. Now this is about the revaluation of assets and liabilities. Close the revaluation account. That is step number 4. So in the revaluation account on the credit side, we are having 28,000. On the debit side, we are having 17,000. So there is a difference of 11,000. So that 11,000 we are going to transfer to Sahil and Nikhil in the ratio of 3:2. And we are going to transfer this. to partners capital on the credit side. So our revaluation account is over. Profit and loss adjustment account is over. Now our next step is recording of new partners capital 1 lakh rupees. So we are going to record 1 lakh rupees Bharat capital account in the cash account on the debit side and in the Bharat account on credit side by cash account. That is the recording of new partners capital. And then we are having this 40,000 is brought by way of goodwill by Bharat. So again in the cash account on debit side, goodwill account is debit 40,000. So in the cash account again 40,000, and that particular 40,000 is distributed between Sahil and Nikhil in the sacrifice ratio. So sacrifice ratio is calculated here 3:2, and that will be now credited to Sahil and Nikhil in the sacrifice ratio. Okay, here we are given the old ratio and new ratio, so we are going to calculate the sacrifice ratio. So we got it, and now our next step is close the capital account. Okay, so you can see in the problem that this revaluation account is over, goodwill account is over, 40,000, 40,000. Cash account, debit side 1,60,000 and credit side balance is 1,60,000. So 1,60,000. Now capital account, credit side total of Bharat, credit side total of Nikhil, and credit side total of Sahil. So the difference here is 1,10,600, 1,20,400, and 1 lakh. So two balance carried down is 1,10,600, 1,20,400, and 1 lakh. So that we are writing in partners capital account here. On the liability side, Sahil, Nikhil, and Bharat. So the total is 3,31,000. And now cash that we have to write is 1,60,000 here, 1,60,000. Sacrifice ratio we have to calculate old minus new. This is only for the goodwill, and again the sacrifice is equal to the old ratio. Okay, so but we have to check. Now the total of the balance sheet is 3,94,000 on both the sides. Okay.